Been over 3 years and now you just got here, man. Get me a beer and open up the mirrors. Let me show you now what you've been missing for years. Call it premiere. I can take a boy's name and slip. Or take it up.
Hey guys, welcome. New table is not set up right. This is not set up right, but we're going to try it. Let's find out. Just got a new box in today from Neewer. Microphone kit. I'm upset a little bit because it's not supposed to come in this box. It's supposed to come in an Amazon box. But let's find out what's inside of it. Nice little case. Let me just flip this around backwards. That's the inside of the case. It's supposed to be a stable, low noise, portable microphone set. So for $35 off Amazon, link down in the description. I got a little poofer. I got a little pip filter. Nice. Made out of nylon. Looks like there's some screws there, so if I need to clean it, clean like that. Got a rocker arm. Nice size one. Comes with some screwable mounts. Nice little tension. Even got a little lock nut right there just in case. Got a nice little tension on it. Nice sturdy on that. Nice little brand on there too. Okay. And we get little fluffers. We don't need fluffers. Then we have instructions. Thank you for purchasing. We're men. We don't need instructions. What's this? VIP. Look at you. Ooh, you are. Oh no, I get it. Nosferatu. I don't know. I don't speak French or Spanish, so not for me. We got a shock mount, which is nice. That's what that looks like. Fabric inside of it. Okay. Oh, that's how you do it. You just pinch it together. Got another Loctite there. Okay. Ooh, candy. Not candy. Don't even eat it. A nice little class 2 power. 17 watt power plug. That's always good. Ooh, we got enormous little 3.5 male jack to an XLR plug. Okay. We got that. Now, what do we got here? More XLR cables. What's over here? I'm avoiding the good stuff, aren't I? Table clamp. Table, wall, shelving unit. Oh, let's see here. It does have a little felt down here, a little bit there. No felt on this, though. So the bottom of your table will get damaged. If you care about that. Only 2 items left. Now we got this. Nice little crisp. Look at that. A little lock in there. Looks like a little lock screw there too. That's metal of some sort. Light for being computerized. And then what this is a nice little N100 watt thingy. I don't know. Power unit. That's what it is. Push button there. Yep. Lock it to go in. Input, output. And anything secret in here? Will they send me $1 million? No, they will not send me $1 million. Alrighty then. Let's see here. Feel free to pause. Looks good. Oops. Like I said, I don't have the mount for this open yet. So basically what we need to do is we need to take this piece and we need to take this piece and corner that. It locks onto this. Oh my goodness. So we put this up here, then lock it back down. We'll lock this here. Okay, there's not a movable, adjustable, or nothing. You have to basically do the whole thing at the same time. So it's made out of metal. Yeah, it is a tin metal. The hooks are made out of metal. The lock buttons are made out of metal. So So far, everything's made out of metal, so that's good. Let's see here. Okay, there's a little pit maneuver right there. So once it's locked in, oops, so you have to hold it down with your thumbs, lock it in, and then you can start moving around. Okay, that all that goes to here. Looks like there is no cable tie down, so I will have to use my little Velcro straps. But then this one here would go right into here. Doesn't fit. Now we pinch it. Okay, this is a little tight fit, which is good. I don't think there's a proper way of doing it. Oops. Gotta make sure that wing nut's locked. And there you go. It won't vibrate, shock, or nothing. And then you put this in there. And the pit, oh, I forgot to talk about the pit. It does have a little screw thing. So once it's tightened, you can angle it into there. I guess it goes, I say like that. Well, I'll be right back. Hey guys, this is the future Rocky. I am talking on the microphone right now. As you see, it's temporary put up right here. I had used a little tie that's included in there. Did find out that you would need some pliers to fasten down some of the bolts and some of the rods that need to be done. Cable's long enough to reach everywhere that I need to put. But you don't want to put the box next to the microphone because it will pick up a feedback. Other than that, check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know.